Hello and welcome back. My name is Sebastian, and today we do something called having. So the expression having we will use, and this we use to filter some of our aggregations. The having clause we use especially when we use also group by. So as we saw in the last video, so when we use for each product category we want to know our revenue. And I did this here already. We will run it, and here you see that for each product category or product ID we have the revenue. We cannot easily use now a where clause. We want, for instance, to know where, or show me all my revenue on the product IDs where the revenue is larger than 2000. How we do this? This we do with the having, and the having clause comes directly after the group by. So having, and now we say some amount, so, and this should be larger or equal to 2000. So actually we should now see everything what is here, larger than 2000, the revenue up to 4,150. Let's see if it works. Great, it worked. So this is just a filtering in the aggregations. Okay, we could take another example, and this is now something where we use, for instance, the average, and then the average amount is equal to or larger than 1,800. Let's see if we get something here. There it comes. So in all these product IDs, the average of our sales is larger than 1,800. As you can see now, sometimes, and this is now a little bit additional to this, especially when you use here the average, it doesn't look nice here, so many zeros. Doesn't make sense. So you can use the round function, and this is what we do. So round, and then you set a comma, and then how many numbers after the comma, so the digits. You usually use 2, so it should be now the same result, but it should now look like 2300.00. Let's see if it works. There we go. Okay, the issue is now, as we use the round function, that here this column name changed to round, which doesn't look nice. So better is we can say our round average amount column should be named average. And there we comes. And when we want to, we can do this also with everything else. So product ID doesn't look nice. I just want to PID, for instance. It's easier. Does it goes? There it comes. PID. Great. So this is how you can use the having clause when you use aggregate function together with the group by clause here in the product IDs. And as you saw, sometimes it makes sense to cut a little bit the averages. There you can use the round function. That's it. I hope you learned something, and I will see you in the next one. Please like and subscribe.